Hello Sam, I saw your info for wiring a drum switch for 220V, could you please post a schematic for 120V? I have a square D2601 AG2 drum and a single phase, half a horsepower, 115/230V, capacitor start, thermally protected, reversible motor. Leads are T1 to TP, P1 and P2 exiting, TP, T2, T3, T4, T5, and 8.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your electrical issue. My name is. I look forward to helping you. Let me review your question. Here is a diagram. Hope I was of help today. Thanks. George.
Hi George, I may be wrong, but I thought the drum contact positions for low voltage were 1, 3, 5, made and 4, 5, 6 made for FWD, and 1, 2, 4 made and 3, 5, 6 made for Rev.
Let me double check. Here is another diagram I have.
Thanks George, I will wire up tomorrow and get back to you. Have a happy new year.
Let me know. Happy New Year.
Hi, your schematic was spot on. Motor runs great. Thanks and have a great new year.
Thank you. George.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.